How to add camera shake effect on your photo on CapCut app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to CapCut. Now choose or upload a photo from here, or you can just choose from your drafts like me. I already have this photo right here, so I'm gonna click on it. Now go down here, click on edit and swipe right, click on style option. Now click on camera shake here, the first effect, and wait a few seconds until the effect it applies to your photo. Now the effect is ready, let's see it. As you can see, it looks so professional and cool. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later. Thank you so much.